Greeting. This is Mark Brown. We're going to be looking at how we can actually add a border to a Microsoft Word document, right? So the instruction said add a border around all pages except the cover page, right? So border must be around every single page except the cover page. But how are you going to do that? Because it can be very challenging for some person, because some person don't know exactly how to do it. So I'm going to be guiding you through that here. All right, so what I wanted to do, here you go. This is the cover page. And if you look right here to the left, it's a 1 of 4, right? And if I come here and scroll up, right? Scroll up, you notice the page, all that, everything is on it. So I want a border on it, except the first page here. So the first thing that I wanted to do, I want to click right here on design. And then you're going to go right here to background, page background. So you're going to click on border. So when you click on border, here itself is a display screen, right? So you can actually choose which section you want from this section. So if I click here, you notice it show a display right over here. But if I want a pretty border, I can come right here, add or none, and then click right here. You notice if I select this, you notice it shows right here. If I don't want that, I can go back right here and scroll down. So I'm gonna scroll and search for one. Let's scroll, notice this is different types of border right here. So I'm going to click on this one. You notice how thick it is? You can come right here. Let's look up and erase your width. Take your time and carry it down a little. Right, that's all. If you notice over there, take it down some more. Right, so if I want to see it thick, you can actually carry it down some more. Right, so there you go. Right, and definitely gonna come right here. Notice the whole document. You're gonna click right here. And notice right along this section here, it's the all except the cover page. So when you click on this and then click on OK, you notice nothing is on the cover page, but if I scroll here, you notice all the rest of it have on a border. You notice all page have a border except the cover page. All right, very important. So this is exactly how you do it. All right, so for instance, you're doing a project and it asks you to put a border on all pages except the cover page. So that's exactly how you actually do that, right? So remember now you click on design. When you click on design, you click right here. So when you're in this particular area, right, if I want to select the border, you come right here, say apply to, and you click. I want to click, it's the last one down here. So I say this section is all except the first page. I click on that and then click on the word OK. Right? And notice you don't show here, everything else come up on that particular section. So I hope you have learned something from this here, and if this era will help you, write a comment and how it actually helps.